If I give you an IP address and a slash notation, say /26, and ask you to find the network ID, what's your first instinct? If your instinct is to pick up a pencil and start writing out 32 ones and zeros, stop. Seriously, put the pencil down. You are working way too hard. And frankly, on the CCNA exam, you don't have time for binary. The biggest lie new network engineers believe is that you have to be a math genius to subnet. You don't. You just need to know how to count. Today, I'm going to show you the magic number method. It's a way to solve almost any subnetting question in your head, usually in under 60 seconds. Let's get into it. Okay, before we look at an IP, there's only one thing you actually need to memorize. And honestly, you probably already know it. It's the powers of 2. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. That's it. That is your entire toolkit. Write that at the top of your whiteboard before the exam starts, and you're golden. Here is why this matters. When we look at a subnet mask, we are looking for the interesting octet. That's just a fancy way of saying which section of the IP address is actually changing. If it's a /24, the cut is after the third number. If it's a /16, it's after the second. But the exam is going to throw weird numbers at you, like /26 or /19. That's where the magic number comes in. Let's do a real example. Let's say you have the IP address 192.168.10.150 with a /26 subnet mask. The question is, what is the network ID? Here is the 3-step process. Step 1, find the interesting octet. We know /24 covers the first 3 octets, right? So /26 is just a little bit further than that. That means the action is happening in the 4th octet. We can ignore the 192.168.10 part. They stay the same. Focus only on the .150. Step 2, find the magic number. How many bits past /24 is a /26? It's 2 bits. 24 plus 2 is 26. So look at your cheat sheet list, 128, 64. Since we borrowed 2 bits, our value stops at the second number, 64. 64 is your magic number. This is your block size. It means your networks go up in increments of 64. Step 3, count by the magic number. Start at 0 and count by 64 until you pass our target number, 150. So 0, 64, 128, 192. Wait, stop. 192 is too high. Our host is .150. So we drop back down to the last valid number, which was 128. Boom, that's it. Your network ID is 192.168.10.128. See? No binary conversion. We just figured out the block size was 64 and we counted. If the question asked for the next network, it's .192. If it asked for the broadcast address of our current network, it's one number less than the next network. 1 less than 192 is .191. Suddenly, you have every answer you need just by counting in blocks. The trick to the CCNA isn't being a human calculator. It's spotting patterns. Practice finding that magic number, that increment value, and you'll go from spending 5 minutes on a question to answering it in 30 seconds flat. I've put a few practice problems in the description below so you can test this out right now. Give it a shot. Let me know if it clicked for you, and I'll see you in the next video.